now we are going to learn our data types in Python. So let me make another file here, data types.py. okay, fine. Okay, now we are going to learn data types. What are data types in Python? You must have here, if you learn another, if you already know C, C++, Java, Python, otherwise any other language like JavaScript, so you must have awareness about data types. Okay, now we are going to talk about, or we're going to learn about data types in Python. Let me make a comment here, data types in Python. Okay, the first thing is that we must have to know about the data types. We must have awareness about data type, that how many kind of data types are available in Python. So the first is, as I already mentioned, in the main.py, you must have in the print section, in the print statement. Okay, now we are using data types, so I will also explain you from the start. String is one, integer, float, list, and dictionary, and dictionary. Well, there is another data type called tuple. So tuple. And now we are going to learn data types, so let's start and get ready. Okay, the name is equal to, let me make another comment, this is string. So okay, name is equal to Javarevisited. Okay, now here you can see that I just named a variable name is equal to Javarevisited. This is a variable, I will also mention in other videos. Name is equal to Javarevisited, and now we are going to print name. Just write name and then see, and it said Javarevisited. Okay, our programming is running successfully, so I'm going to cut it. And also we are going to see integer data type. You can also check another example like YouTube channel is equal to programming. You can also use this kind of programming to enhance your programming skills as a Python programmer. And you have to write YouTube channel, and let me run this. Okay, here you can see programming, because we just have write it here in double quotation. Everything that we write in double quotation will be appear here in the terminal section or in the output. Now this is integer data type. Okay, I'm just going to name it a variable x is equal to 100, and then print x. Here you can see this is a integer data type. Now float x is equal to y is equal to 120.5. let me also run this and let me show you. It's not showing the answer because I did not use the print statement here, print y, and here you can see 120.5. now we are going to learn list and dictionary. What is list? For example, you have to go somewhere and you have to remind what you came. For example, you want to go in bazaar, in market, and then you have to buy something else, something for you, and you must forget what you have to buy. So you can make a list is equal to a list like this, that you have to buy some fruits, some things for you, like you have to buy programming books like C++, Java. So you can remind this, the list will remind you that what you have to buy here, and Python. Okay, let me run this. print list. Okay, fine, and compile this. Here you can see this is our list. You can simply get it here. Okay, this is our list. You can also make an other example. Okay, let me first comment this, and I'm going to use another. You can simply name it as books is equal to, I just use list because to show you books like English programming, books like C++, as we mentioned in the previous example, books like physics, and also other things like physics, computer science. Okay, let me run this. It's not saying anything. I think I made a mistake. Okay, because I did not used a print statement here. Print books, make sure that used capital. Okay, fine, now run this. Here you can see this is our list. Okay, so if you also want to use dictionary, so same like the procedure of list, you can also use the, here I did not use list, this is a list. Okay, now what we are going to do, I'm just commenting it out. Okay, this is a dictionary. Now how can we use dictionary in Python? It's very easy. As we use list in Python, we can also use dictionary in Python. Like you can say fruits, you have to buy some fruits, like fruits is equal to, and you have to use delimiters here, or curly braces, you can also call it delimiters. Now you have to use it delimiters here, like apple, you have to buy some fruits, apple, orange, so I forgot the double quotation, orange, and other things like pineapple. Okay, I apologize for this, and let me run this. I did not use the print statement. Let me write it first. Print fruits. Okay, so here you can see this orange, pineapple, and apple, pineapple. Here you can, this is our dictionary as we used in our dictionary. So we used it very simply as we used our list. So we can also use our dictionary in Python like this.